See my back of my pants pocket? That's where I have my AiR. My iPhone SE phone. I don't have no data. You can see I have zero data. I have no SIM card in there. I have no Wi-Fi, and I can still able to fly my drone and take some awesome footage. You know, I've been using my iPhone XS, but sometimes I say to myself, what happened? I just want to go without it. Just use SE and, you know, my own phone and using my AiR. And I got it turned on. Remember, guys, one thing you want to do before you do this, you make sure you do a compass calibrating. The phone SE in the AiR again, and just in case something happened, I mean, I already know that the Mavic is gonna return to the home point where this guy take off at. But today I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna do a quick calibration. Got the Mavic AiR, Wi-Fi. I mean, it's so quick. That's what I like about this guy. And boom, I'm already on there. Most likely it doesn't want to let you take off because he knows that you're going to be flying with just the drone. So you gotta do a compass calibrating really quick. There's a quickie here, and then I've got it, and it's on, and GPS is on, and then boom, there you go. And then I'm gonna go ahead, that's where I want it at, exactly where the X is. I don't know if you can see that. And it's just gonna go ahead and fly on my Mavic AiR. So my Mavic AiR is flying. See that, guys? In extreme wind, it's not bad to use. So I'm just using my phone here, and then I'm just gonna do a quick shot. A really quick shot. And then I'm gonna go white balance. I'm gonna put cloudy, and there you go. And then I'm just gonna do my quick shot, and I'm gonna do my quick do a quick rocket. A helix. Droning here. There you go. A quick. Go to active track.
Active track spotlight is basically a tripod. What it means is the drone's gonna hover there, and you can go the view that you want to be at, and it can capture it with it.
You can do this with your phone. See how the gimbal goes up, go down, by just using your phone. And that's awesome. And then you can just capture you, and then wherever you go, it follows. So that's a good thing. And it's gonna return right there where exactly. That's like precision landing. You see my X? It's right here. And it's crazy because I have it right there. And of course you can always stop it. And you put yes. And just hold it like this. And then of course land it. and it will land perfectly, and you got it. No data. And then now you can just go back here, got all the stuff. The only thing you might have to download is this pack right here, and it's gonna take about a little bit minutes. It's not gonna drain your battery, so it's good. And your days are done. Simple, fast.